anyone have the sense that you should be further along in your business than you are? Okay. So that's nuts. Let me also just try to disabuse you of this. Right? Because I hear this all the time. I just should be further ahead. I don't know. I've been in this 10 years. I just figured I'd be further. Okay, let's just do a reality check on your life. First of all, in the last 3 or 4 years, anything weird happen in the world that might have derailed you? Anything strange? Yeah. Did anyone die in your family? Did somebody get sick? Unexpected financial bills? Yeah. End of a relationship? Heartbreak? You just got cratered somehow? If you look back over the last decade, like if you really went over it with a fine-tooth comb, this is my guess what you'd come up with. It's a miracle I'm still here. I'm way further ahead than I should be. This is outrageous. I feel like I'm cheating. I shouldn't be this far. That's probably, well, I don't know if it's the truth, but let's just give a seat at the table for that part of the story too. Could you be further ahead? I don't know, maybe. But let's also just acknowledge what you've gone through to get here. It's amazing you're this far. For most of you, if we were to hear each other's stories, it'd be like, you're still standing? You're still in business? You're a mad woman. Amazing. Yeah. So that's true.